Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Shubhanki. So welcome to my another episode of monthly favorite series. So in today's video, I'll be talking about all my favorite things, product, everything and anything that I loved in the month of March. So before starting, two things I am going to point out here that I've kind of changed in the content of this series is that I will not no more just sit down and talk about my month and what are the products I liked, what are the things I liked. Rather, I am going to do my makeup. I'll get ready while talking about it. I think it will be a lot more fun and engaging. And the second change is that from now onwards, I am not going to talk about only products or movies. Rather, I am going to have products of the month, series/movies of the month, thirdly song of the month, and lastly my favorite video, that is video of the month. So with that being said, let's get started with today's video.
1, 2, 3.
I've been really liking bronzed out beige nude kind of makeup with lots of tan and summer tones in it, but after doing it for like full on 3 months every day, today I felt like let's just put on a little bit of colorful makeup because I really miss using my colorful palettes. So today's makeup will be a really colorful fun one, and since I'm not going to explain my makeup or even any products, just to stick to the real content of this video, so I just thought of telling you guys at the first, and also link of all the products that I am going to use for today's makeup will be there in the description below. So I feel let's start with movies of the month, movies/series of the month. Actually, I have had seen 2 or 3 series and 1 movies. For the first week of this month, I watched, I think everybody have watched that, Ginny and Georgia.
Present. Gross. This is the new thing you're doing now? Hate on mom?
Apart from all the negative comments, I would say I did really like the series and I am really looking forward to see their next season. It will be really fun and entertaining, and if you haven't watched that series, I would really highly encourage you to watch because there's a lot of learning from there, and also there's got one eye candy there. Anyways, so it is mainly about a mother and her relationship with her children and how she tackles every situation brilliantly. Every decision is for her and for her children's future and well-being.
I've done things I'm not proud of, but I'd do them again. I'd do anything to protect my kids like no one ever protected me. Anything. Because
she has done a lot of bad things, but her only purpose was to look out for her children. In short, I really like the series. I really like the character, I'm going to tell you, Georgia, the mother. I really like the character, and I really like Maxine as well as Marcus. The storytelling as well as the narration and everything was supremely beautiful. I really liked it. So if you are into those content where there are a lot of relationship equations, might not be romantic, but it could be mother and child, sister and brother, so I would recommend you guys to watch this. In the second week, I watched Girl on Train.
मैं रोज इसी रास्ते से जाती हूँ.
After watching that film, I sat down for like full 5 minutes to figure out did I really watch it, because I know I have to come to a opinion. I did actually like the story. The person who have written the story have put a lot of hard work. The story was really good. If you think that the story is not good, it kind of was hanging, there was a lot of loopholes, the story had an abrupt end or anything like that, you will not find that. But you know what problem with Girl on Train was the acting actually. So Pariniti Chopra was in the main role. I did actually not connect with Pariniti's acting at all. So I felt like the way she should have emoted, I didn't feel it, that she was in pain, she couldn't remember at all. I mean, I felt like she was acting. I don't know if you guys can get what I'm telling. So I would not recommend Girl on Train, but if you have a lot of time, spare time, so you can watch Girl on Train. I would just rated average. That's kind of sad because the story was good, the end was really good, really unexpected. When all the mysteries unfolded and everything was clear, I wasn't shocked, I was like, okay, that is cool, I guess. If there was any other actor or if Pariniti has acted a little bit better, so it could have been a really good film. Then I watched the classic Breaking Bad. Yes guys, I didn't watch it till now. I watched it on the second week of this month.
Tell me why you're doing this. Seriously.
Why do you do it?
Money? Mainly?
There you go.
Nah, come on. Man, some straight like you, giant stick up his ass, all of a sudden at age, 60, he's just gonna break bad?
I'm 50.
It's weird.
And I think I do not have to say anything about this. Anybody who enjoys any genre could just give Breaking Bad a go. Then I watched El Camino, which was a Breaking Bad movie. What happens after the last episode of Breaking Bad? So it's a continuation. I also have Better Call Saul to watch, but I don't think I'll watch it because it might just ruin Breaking Bad. I don't know. I'm really anxious watching Better Call Saul. I mean, I am at a position that if I watch Better Call Saul and if that's good, and I know it that is, so I am going to get addicted and I will finish it, and there will be nothing left to watch more, you know, as a part of Breaking Bad. So I am really in that state whether to watch it or not to watch it. So I just kept it for another month basically, so I didn't watch it. So please go to Netflix and watch it. It's great. I mean, it's just mind-blowing. So now let's move on to song of the month. So I have got basically one song that I'm, you know, on loop with, but I have few favorites. I don't know, I'm confused. Will I mention them? Let's just mention all the songs. But the first one has to be, it is not a trendy song or not a newly released song, but a song which I found out. I don't know where I was living, under a rock basically. So the song name is Dancing with Your Ghost, and it is a beautifully written, beautifully sung as well song. If you know the song, you are a genius, and if you don't know, please go and listen to it. It's a beautiful song. It is by, I forgot. Oh my god, what is happening to me? You know, I really nowadays appreciate artists which are not that well known, but they really make kind of good music. I have a whole Spotify playlist of all those unpopular songs. Let's mention some of the songs that I also kind of like. The first has to be Streets by Doja Cat. But I also liked Best Friend, but not that much.
That my best friend, she a real bad bitch.
The second one is that I really like Greek Tragedy, mainly because of what trend it is, the Dark Circle trend.
We're smashing mics in karaoke bars. You're running late with half your makeup on.
Let's move on to my product of the month. So the first product has to be my face wash. I actually changed a couple of products from my night skincare routine and as well as morning skincare routine. So I changed the face wash because the previous face wash, obviously I ran out of it. I didn't want to buy it again because it had a couple of bad ingredients. So this face wash is so cheap that I got from Amazon, as well as it is fragrance free and there is no harsh chemicals in it. I am really liking how my skin feels after putting this face wash on, and this is so gentle. It looks like a lotion, and when you touch it, the texture is so fine and smooth. It is like silky smooth texture. This is super great for a skin like mine, which is kind of desert in the middle of this summer as well. Now the second product is the very old Mamaearth's Upton face mask. I have been like using it for eternity, I feel, and since I am about to hit pan on it, so I thought let me just mention this again in my monthly favorite video. I know I have mentioned this in a lot of videos like 1 year back, and I think I need to mention this once again because this product is a very good product. I haven't seen a beautiful clay mask that will suit my dry skin and make it more clean and beautiful. It will just brighten your skin, remove all your dead cells and make it clean. So it's a really nice mask to have in your skincare collection. Don't fall for the controversy, please buy it. It's a good mask, and this video is no way sponsored. I am not getting anything out of it, so might as well just listen to it and get your hands on it. Now the second product or third product is not a product, it's a nail paint. As you guys have seen, I bought a couple of nail paints. I have green nail pens right now, and I didn't even intend to match this with my eyeshadow. I felt like today I am going to make a blue and I will make a mix of green and pink kind of eyes. So that is what I'm going for. I applied my yellow nail pen, and when I applied on my nails, I instantly fell in love with it. That is a very different color. I have no idea how am I going to explain the color, but it is the yellow is not pastel. It is not like a vintage yellow color, and that's why I fell in love with that color. So that is the favorite nail color of this month. Now this look is getting really good. What do you guys think? Now let's move on to my next favorite product. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I have applied it on my one eye, and this eye I need to apply right now. So let me just curl my lashes and then I'm going to apply this mascara. Now let's apply the mascara. This is a beautiful mascara. So if you are on a budget, you can buy this mascara. This is a great mascara. In fact, Maybelline's mascaras are really great. So this is my first time using this. Before this, I used to use the black one, black and pink kind of mascara. That was really great. That is for volume, but this is for length. What it does basically, it lengthens your lashes, but it doesn't add much volume. So you are into lengthening of the mascara, you can get this mascara. But since my lashes are pretty thick and I really have dense lashes and also big lashes, so I don't need much volume, lengthening does the job for me. You can see the length of my lashes right now. Obviously I've curled them, but the mascara did wonders to my lashes, so I am really in love with this mascara. So I thought this has to be in my monthly favorite video. So get your hands on this mascara if you are really on a budget. So the next favorite is my blush. This is the liquid blush from Kiss Beauty in the shade 02. This shade particularly is so beautiful. What I basically do with this is I apply it on my lips, and I obviously apply it on my face, but I also have started applying it as a lip stain, and this is the greatest invention I did for myself, I feel. So I'm going to show you guys quickly what I do for my lips. It's a very super minimal look, but it will make you look so classy and chic. The best part is people don't guess what is happening to you, why you are looking so different. And for that look, what I do is basically I just line my lips with a nude brown shade. So now what I'm going to do is take this blush and put it just in the middle of it like this, and I'm going to smudge it with my lips like this. Then after that I'm going to press it down through the entire lip. See, this looks way minimal. You don't have to make your lips look dry with applying tons of liquid lipsticks, or even if you are using a bullet lipstick, it may just smear off if you are having any drinks or eating out. But this will stay in place for the longest time, and that brings us to applying blush for today. So I'm going to put a little bit of blush here. So by the way, I haven't imagined that my Gariya Haat shopping video will get so much of views and so much of watch hour. And when I uploaded it, I was like having fun and all. I see you guys really like it. As a creator, I really like to edit certain ways. I have got certain editing style of my own. When I could really put that out on some of my videos, I feel really great. So now when I see that those videos are getting really appreciated, my happiness just increases to like 10 folds. Yeah, that's how it is. This is a little bit subtle glow for my eyes. I was missing this. Now the time for a little bit of highlighter. So I think this is it.
Which way does the wind blow? Well, it doesn't matter to me anymore. I feel like it's a waste of time to think. Waking by myself, can't wait to place the blame, cause there's nobody.
So that's it. This is my makeup look. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I tried to make this video a little more fun, since I saw on my last monthly favorite video not much people were liking it. This time I got ready as well as talked about all my favorite stuff, and I tried my best to make it a lot more fun. Do like, share, comment. Please subscribe and hit the bell button. I'll meet you guys in my next video. Until then, be happy and bye.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.